Hey everybody, Carl Schoof here from snorklTV, and I'm so happy to present to you my next AS3 code challenge. So let's jump right in. What I need you guys to do is create a SWIF that exhibits the following behavior, okay? It's going to start out split vertically with a green column on the left and a yellow column on the right. Whenever you click on a column or row, that object is going to bisect itself into a particular pattern. Meaning, if I click on green, you'll see it gets bisected into blue on top, red on the bottom. If I click on yellow, I get red on the top, blue on the bottom. Oh, is that all? No. If you click on blue, you get yellow, green. If you click on red, you get green, yellow, green, yellow. So as you keep bisecting these objects, you'll see some very interesting patterns start to form. I'm starting to feel very googly. Anyway, keep on clicking and you'll see that every time I click on a color, a new pattern takes its place with a new unique bisection. Alright, so you guys can play around with this SWIFT that I have on my site to see exactly how it works and have some fun with it. There are a few different rules and more like guidelines that I have also on the site. I'm not going to read all of them through to you, but please read them yourselves. Most importantly, I'm giving you this legend here that shows you all of the color values that you'll be using and also the exact pattern that each color should generate. So clicking on yellow will bisect vertically with red on the top, blue on the bottom, and green does just the opposite. So definitely check out our little rules here. It's very important that you do send me files that are in a version less than CS 5.5, okay, so I can open them up. And please name your files with your actual name so that I have a unique file for you. Use the subject Bisector Challenge. Send it to carl@snorkl.tv. Alright, so get off to the races. You can use external SWIFTs. You can use symbols in the library. You can use external AS files. I really don't care how you do it. I'm very interested in seeing all the different ways that people come up with here, alright? So I'm not judging you on how great your code is. I just want to make sure that your file works exactly the same way that I have shown it here. I'm going to be randomly selecting a winner at the end of the contest, alright, who's going to win a Really Green Club Green Sock membership. There are details of what that includes on my site and at greensock.com. And I'm going to be giving away these memberships for people who participate in the contest and also people who promote the contest through Twitter. I will have more info on that on the site as well. What I want to point out though as well, that if you do win, you do get your Really Green Club Green Sock membership, but you also get the ability to upgrade to Shockingly Green for only $49. That's half off the normal price. And if you aren't aware yet, Shockingly Green includes some incredible plugins. And just recently, jackofgreensock.com released the Throw Props plugin, which allows you to take an object and literally flick it or throw it. And this very long box of scrolling text here, you'll see that I can just drag my mouse, and based on the velocity of my mouse movement, that object will scroll and ease into place really, really nicely. It's great for long scrolling lists. And when you overshoot, you'll see that it can bounce back really nicely, but you get a really smooth and clean throw effect. Alright, so definitely check out the Throw Props page on greensock.com. Mess around with this little dial that you can do a velocity-based throw with in either direction, and definitely watch the video here. Alright, so I just want to push you guys. Participate. Winning Really Green is very awesome. But the fact that you can get Shockingly Green for only 49 bucks should really seal the deal for you guys. I think this challenge is going to be a lot of fun, so please jump on board, participate. And I also want to let you know that I'm thinking of what I want to let you know right now. And what I want to let you know is that I'm going to do my best to respond to everybody who sends me a file, just confirming that I got it. But please give me a few hours, if not a day, because I am not going to be glued to my email 24/7 for the next week, responding instantly. It does take a bit of time to save these files, open them up, check them out, make sure they work, and get back to you. But I will do my best to confirm your submissions, and please just be patient. If you don't hear from me within a day, hey, send me another email. That's totally cool. All right? And in addition, just a little background on this challenge. I got to give my good friend and mentor Ron Lent a lot of credit because he built something like this way back in the day with plain old HTML. So 15 years later, I am bringing it into Flash. So it's really an HTML to AS3 challenge. So back in the day, Ron did this with frame sets, where every time you click, a new frame set loads into the frame set that you're clicking on, and you'll see that it exhibits the exact same behavior as our little challenge here. So this is where I got my inspiration from. And when I built my Swift, it was a little bit challenging, and I definitely know that it can be done better than I did it. So please, please check it out. And also, if you've watched the video this far, I want you to know that there's a little Easter egg buried inside my file. The first person to let me know what that is, you're going to automatically win your Really Green Club Green Sock membership. So retweet the contest, participate, and your chances to win will increase. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. All right, so thanks for watching the whole thing, and have a great day.